Have you been dreaming of making smoky, delicious jollof rice? Do you find making jollof rice daunting? Keep watching this video because this is the only recipe you will need to make delicious smoked jollof rice. And if you like this recipe, like and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. We'll start with some bell peppers, some of this chili pepper, and then habanero pepper. First of all, I'm going to roast this pepper in the oven because that is what will give your jollof rice that smoky taste and the smoky aroma you need for your smoky delicious jollof rice. So I'm going to pop it into the oven dish. I've washed it. I'm just taking away the seed from the chili. You just want to take those seeds away because it will make it to blend smoother. And I'll add some onion, just one medium-sized onion to it. Cut it up into 4 and you can pop it in that baking dish. I'm going to sprinkle a little salt to it, and then I will sprinkle it with oil. You just want to do that. It will make it not to burn so much. You want to stir that to combine, and you will pop that into your oven for about 20 minutes. Halfway point, you want to turn it around so that the other side can also roast, and I'm adding some fresh thyme to it. When our tomato is done, I'm going to now put it in the blender. I'm going to blend all of them, the bell peppers, the thyme, everything. I will blend it, and that will form our tomato base for our smoky jollof rice. In the same pot you used to cook your meat, after you've removed your protein and your stock, you add oil and add some red onion. I will add some garlic paste to it, and I'll just let it cook. I'll stir it around, just make sure it releases its flavor into the oil. Now comes my tomato paste. I will start with my tomato paste first because this tomato paste, it has like a tanginess to it. You want to fry it first before you add your fresh tomato base. You want to do that, keep stirring it continuously so that it doesn't burn, and then you add your blended and bell pepper mix into it. You want to keep stirring this all around. You don't want to let it burn. It will not take too long because you've already dried the pepper. So I'll add my meat stock now. Before you add your ingredients, you want to add your meat stock because your meat stock is already seasoned. So you want to put that first. I added additional 2 seasoning cubes to mine. Now it's time to pour in your washed rice. I don't parboil before cooking the rice. I just wash my rice. And you're going to combine this thoroughly. Make sure there is no lumps in the rice, and add a bit of water, just enough to cover the rice. Don't add too much at this point. You just want that tomato base you've made to soak in with the rice and produce good flavors for your smoky jollof. I'm going to cover this and cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes, and there you have it. Our jollof is ready. Look at that color. The aroma of this jollof rice will wake your neighbors up. They will come and knock on your door asking for some. This is wonderful. The taste is there, the aroma is there. It is fluffy, it is smoky. We're just going to serve it up now. I'm going to dish it in this plate. Add as much as you want, and I'm serving mine with some plantain and this grilled chicken. This is delicious. I hope you try this recipe. If you have enjoyed this recipe, give this video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next one.